Alright, welcome to the video explanation for IOD 301, Interpretation of Data 301. This is for the Parallel Assessment number 1. And this College Readiness Standard is specifically to select two or more pieces of data from a simple data presentation that would have two or less variables. Okay, so first step, this is question 1 by the way. First step here is to scan the passage. So we see the passage here. We got some text. That's probably for the whole thing. Then it looks like we've got study 1, study 2, and study 3. And I'm going to quick look at the next page to see if there's a study 4. No. Okay, so we've got 3 studies. Each study has some text, you can see, and each study has a table. Okay. So that's scanning. So we've got some general text. We've got 3 studies, 3 tables, and 3 blocks of text, 1 for each study. Okay, let's take a look at the first question. What are the average times displayed in Table 2 and Table 3? Okay, so we're looking at Table 2 and Table 3, and we're looking for the average times. Okay, so let's go up. See if we can pick that out. Table 2, Table 3, average, average, and this column is time, so time and average leads me to 39.3 for Table 2, and time and average leads me to 53.3 for Table 3. Notice this column is speed. The question asks for time. Speed and time are not the same thing. So we're not looking at speed, we are looking at time. Alright, so 39.3 and 53.3. So I'm going to go and find that, 39.3 and 53.3. That is this guy right here. Okay, so this is the correct response, which means these are all distractors. Okay, now this distractor here, 39.4 and 52.6. Let's see if we can find those numbers. 39.4 and 52.6. Okay, so 39.4 is in Table 2. 52.6 is in Table 3. Okay, so it matches that part of the question. They're both times, 39.4 and 52.6. Is that right? Am I missing something? Yeah, 52.6. Okay, so they're both in the tables that we're supposed to be looking at. They're both times, but the thing that doesn't match is they're both for trial 1, and we were looking for the average of all the trials. So it's a distractor because both values appear in Table 2 and 3. They are both times in Table 2 and 3, but I'm not really using complete sentences here, but let me do that. But they are for trial 1. We are looking for the average of all 3 trials. Okay. Let's look at the next one. 33.9 and 39.3. 33.9 and 39.3. 33.9 and 39.3. Okay. They're both times. They're both average times. But one is from Table 1 when we wanted Table 3. Okay. So, distractor. These values are both average times. One is from Table 2, which is asked for in the question, but the other number, specifically 33.9, is from Table 1. We are looking for the average time from table 3, right? Okay, so if I wasn't paying close attention, I might pick the average times for 1 and 2 when I was really supposed to be getting 2 and 3 from this question. All right, C, the last distractor, is 33.9 and 53.3. Well, 33.9 is the same table 1. 53.3 is table 3's average. So this is basically exactly the same as the previous one. Alright, these values are both average times, yes. One is from table 2, which is asked from the question, yes. Oh no, one is from table 3 this time, which is asked from the question. That's this one, 53.3 is in table 3 here. But the other number, 33.9, is from table 1. We are looking for the average time from table 2. Okay. Correct response, yes, 39.3 and 53.3 are both average times. One is from table 2 and the other is from table 3. Okay. That's question 1. So that's the video for question 1. I hope that it made sense. Please give question 2 another look if you did not get it right the first time when you took the assessment, and see if you can figure out what the correct answer is before looking at the next video.